Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a 3D logo design. In order to do that, head over right here to your icon and then click on this apps right here. From in there, you can head over and then search for apps that you want to use. For me, I'll head over and click on this search right here and search in here for 3D. So this can actually help you with that. Just search for this and then it will show you some search results related to 3D right around here. Now this will show you feeling more 3D, 3D artists, and a lot more. So for example, let's head over and then choose in here 3D artist. And then you can bring your text to life with this one. So click on this open right around here. And then from there, it will show you the particular application. Now it will ask for the object description. Let me head over and put in here a description of the logo that I want, which is a circle 3D logo with AM inside the logo and ribbon at the bottom. Click on this create option right here and then this will create your 3D object. So just wait for a minute because it will actually take some seconds in order to do this. So as you can see right here, it has provided us with this particular logo that you can use for our store. So from there, you can click on the share right here in order to download this particular logo. So that's how you make a 3D logo design in Canva. Hope we helped.